Welcome back to the Yard Dad. I got myself one of these Lawn Stryper Generation 3. So I'm gonna get this thing installed, and this is basically how to stripe your lawn with just a regular lawn mower, push mower. I've had this thing for a while, and I've needed to get it installed, and I think the grass is high enough, so we'll of course cut high one more time for this season. I'm gonna cut it like maybe 3 inches, something like that, and see if we can get some stripes with this thing. But here, check it out real quick. This is pretty much the unit right here, and what I did already was I filled it with sand, so it's quite heavy, and then this is what the grooves look like that'll be pushing down the grass blades. And I guess it's the way the light hits it. But yeah, this thing looks awesome. I'll really look forward to it, and I'm gonna get it installed real quick. So I will go straight into doing that. I'll let you know how the install goes. Pretty easy. The instructions are great. Everything's very durable that it came with too, which is nice. And it looks as though I can take the unit on and off. So say I get into a corner or something, you can just take it off and then put it back on, which helps me because I have a small yard. So yeah, thing looks awesome. Looks dope. Let's go. Let's get this thing installed. Well, just got done installing it. Be honest, watch a video on it first and then do it, and then follow up with the video and just make sure you're doing everything correct. It's very simple, not a lot of screws or anything like that. That's really nice. So, and it's extremely adjustable. So if it doesn't like fit right, you want it like here, I'll show you right here. It'd be easier. I don't even know why I'm trying to show you guys. Why am I trying to show people from far away? But as you can see here, the bar is coming as close, but not touching, but as close as I can get it to the mower to where I can still take the bag off, no problems. And then this is flat and it's completely heavy down where it should be. I think we're good. So hopefully it works good. Yeah, and it's fully adjustable. So like you can just unscrew this and then just kind of go whatever direction you want. And you'll kind of feel it, like you'll be like, all right, that feels correct. I took a piece of wood. You could take a level or whatever and just make sure that these two pieces are even, level, plumb, whatever. I used a board, but yeah, so we should be good to go. So one thing I did want to point out with this Lawn Stryper is that if you're using a reel mower versus a push mower, like the rotary versus a reel, right? I'll show you here on my web. So this one, it has, you can't see it because it's not on there right now, is it? Here is its metal roller here that's in the front, right? And then it's also got on the underside of this thing, hopefully I don't whack myself in the head with something right now, because that would suck, wouldn't it? So this roller that's on the back of this unit right here, right? See that? This is more similar to the Lawn Stryper. So, but this has got double the rolling going on, plus it's a reel, right? I need to get this thing fixed. There's one little piece that I need that broke, and it's just because it's so dry here, but it's this piece right here. This one on this side's fine. I found the piece, it's $3, but I don't think they're gonna send it to me. So I might have to get a whole new unit, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know anything about that. But I have this Earthwise reel here as well, right? I added this roller to it, and this is a pretty big roller. This thing does an excellent job. And then also I have this Bosch reel right here. This one doesn't really do a good job, but it would be nice to get a roller that's the same size as the roller on here and have a metal roller on this. And this one might actually be my favorite because I love cutting with this thing. This thing does a really, really good job cutting, but it doesn't do any striping. Like this really doesn't do anything. And it kind of like weighs nothing too. It's like a wiffle ball bat. But for all of these things, right? These things are great, but let's see how this Lawn Stryper does, because there's a lot of different stripers out there, right? And I think this thing looks pretty cool, and I like how I can take it off. I definitely like how I can take it off, especially the way that we'll be cutting the grass right now. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go out and I'm gonna open my fence on the side of my house, and we're gonna do some lines down the side there and do the front lawn here on one side, then we'll be doing a front lawn over here on the other side. And on that side, because I have limited space, I need to turn around. That's the whole point of having a push mower, is you can easily turn the thing or 180 it or 360 around, whatever you need to do, right? So this thing right here, I can easily unhook this. I can very easily unhook it, and I can start off by mowing just the outline of my yard on that side, which I'll do, and then we'll hook up. And then if I need to turn a certain direction or something like that, I won't have a problem because I'll be able to detach the thing. So I don't know, it seems pretty cool. I think there's a new generation that just came out there. I don't know if they're in stock right now. I got this one myself, and yeah, let's see how it does. So let's go stripe the lawn. Let's see what this Lawn Stryper's got. Let's go. Let's go.
I am you.
All right, well, just got done mowing. Let's check it out. Looking good, looking real good. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5, definitely. The Lawn Stryper can definitely stripe. Yeah, I think it looks great. And then over here on this side, right here, I went a little wider and I still got one last stripe to do up against the fence, but check it out. See, I did a bigger stripes over here. And all my little dry spots are almost totally filled in, but yeah, I'm gonna have to give that thing a 5 out of 5. I really think, see, this one I'll go up again when I'm coming back up, and we'll go through my fence so that I finish off this side. But I'm definitely gonna have to give it a 5 out of 5, like for sure. The thing's great. When you move around, it takes a little getting used to when you like 180 it. But I will say it kind of helps a little bit, especially slowing you down. Not that it weighs too much or anything like that, but it definitely helps when you turn and when you're coming down to the concrete. Before you go the turnaround, it's almost like it's making the mower like mow better, if that makes sense. Like it's sucking onto the grass better or something. I don't know. I could just be tripping out, who knows? But I think it did an excellent job over here. I think it looks great. Got the turnaround thing down. That was like my biggest concern about it, was I was like, I don't know if my yard's too small. I have a small lawn. I mean, it works great. 5 out of 5 on the Lawn Stryper. It can stripe for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish this up on this side, come up through my fence. I just wanted to say thank you, everyone, for getting us to 1,000 subscribers. I think we're already to 1,050. I really appreciate the support. I appreciate all the comments and like all that stuff, you know, so thank you. Really, really appreciate it. And we'll start doing some like live streams and stuff like that too. If you have any questions that you have for me or anything like that, or if you've got some facts and stuff to tell me, and then we'll talk about different products, whatever, it doesn't matter. But most of my videos I'm going to start releasing on Wednesday and then also on Friday. So, and probably the same times between 1 and 2 p.m. is usually when I can get all my editing and get all that stuff out the next day. So yeah, I think it looks great. And see those stripes behind me? I see them back there. See that property line? And I think it looks good over here on the side as well. This thing really turned out a lot better. Yeah, thank you all. Thanks, really appreciate it. Appreciate the support and everything. And hope your lawns are green. If you got any comments or anything like that, leave them below. Try to get back to you as soon as possible with that. And hope your lawns stay green. And I'll see you tomorrow. See you on the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching the yard, Dad.